Niles.
And I'm Niles, and today we're going to do the extra of yesterday's video, which was a sound reproducing challenge. If you've not seen that yet, go up to Mooks' head, my head, and watch that. But today we're going to take it to the next level with these things. They're things you put in your mouth.
Awesome.
And then you can't make proper sounds anymore.
That's so true.
Which is useful for a sound reproducing challenge.
Yes.
So we've got the hat still from last challenge, and we've got, how much is that? Like 18? Yeah, we've got 18 left. So we can do like
These are the leftovers.
They're the worst, probably.
Yeah.
So you now got this. So you can't properly talk anymore.
You can, just a little bit.
Yeah. So you're gonna take things from this hat, and then produce the sound from that, and the other needs to guess and pronounce that word.
Yeah.
The P bad.
Yeah, there is that.
3, 2, 1. You guys first.
So you can first do the sound.
Alright, I'll get on to the hat. Alright, so you got this. Are you ready? This one. This probably the worst one. Alright, here it is. Okay, ready? It's
What's that? Is that? It's not even in there.
Yes.
Like a truck.
Oh, it's more like.
Oh.
Yeah.
Opening a soda can.
Yeah, and if you do it slowly, then it's.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I can't.
Ha,
I need
Ish. Ish.
It's a nerve gun.
A nerve gun.
You can't. Try it yourself. No. No.
Alright. I'll do another one. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Oh shit. This one.
What is it?
There you go.
Oh, it's Orlando.
Yes.
It's Orlando. I can't even pronounce it. It's Orlando.
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 I'm just hoping to get the non-day one.
Yeah, I want that one too. Okay,
One.
so this is Orlando.
Alright.
Okay. This is.
I can't pronounce that. It's raking.
Yeah! It's raking!
This one. Yes?
Yes.
That one.
Okay. Do you put the chainsaw in there?
What kind of chainsaw are you in your life? It's not. That's not a chainsaw. It's like.
Okay, what is it?
It's the nails on the chalkboard.
Oh, yeah.
Do the last one, Nooks. Do it.
Okay. Yeah?
Yes. What? Did it there?
Yeah, and it can also go.
Oh, it's
Yeah. It's a car. Car. Bra. Okay, but there's one more sound I just want to make.
Should we do the Monday morning alarm?
Yeah, we'll do it together.
1,
Oh.
2,
Yeah.
1. We've got neighbors too, Mooks.
Oh, yeah,
You've got neighbors.
And no, Ohen.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like. If you'd like to see more of this kind of stuff, but you know, not with this, you can check out our other extra playlist. We've got a lot of other dumb stuff there.
Yeah.
If you've not checked out yesterday's video, where we did the sound reproducing challenge, you know, go up there, scroll a little bit up, and you can find it. And check that. If you've not subscribed yet, and you found it through this video, besides you thinking that we're all idiots, you could of course subscribe. There. Thank you for watching. Bye. And I'm pretty now. Do you like it?